If you have been learning tech for a very long time and still feel stuck, I can almost guarantee this is why. Mohammed here, welcome back to your tech tip for the week. Tutorials feel productive. You watch, you follow along, you understand everything in the moment, but the second you close the video and try to do it by yourself, it's gone. That is because tutorials remove the hard part, figuring things out by yourself. Three things that keeps most beginners stuck. 1. Aiming too big and never finishing. 2. Going back to tutorials as soon as the moment gets hard. And 3. Copying solutions online without understanding them. Any of these will reset your progress. Your first finished project, even if it's messy, is worth more than your last 10 tutorials combined. It is the start of your portfolio. It is a proof that you can build something real. You probably already know enough to start. You are just waiting to feel ready. This is your sign to start now. Follow for more simple tech insights every week.